You've been wanting to start YouTube automation for a while now, maybe weeks, maybe months. And every time you try to begin, something hinders you. You watch another tutorial, research another tool, tell yourself you just need a little more information before you're ready. But deep down, you already know the real problem. Every tool these YouTube gurus recommend costs money you can't afford. AI voice tools, stock footage sites, background music subscriptions. By the time you add everything together, it's easily over $100 a month just to start. And eventually you start thinking, maybe this just isn't for people like me. But that's exactly what keeps most people stuck. Because the truth is, you do not need expensive tools to start a faceless YouTube channel. There are free alternatives that can get the job done. And in this video, I'm going to reveal 3 of them. Starting with the most important thing, the AI voice tool. Most YouTube automation channels use AI narration. And usually the tool people recommend is 11 Labs. To be fair, 11 Labs is outstanding. The voice quality is excellent, but it's also expensive for someone who hasn't even made their first dollar online yet. So instead, use Minimax AI. It gives you multiple voice styles, different accents, adjustable tone and speed, and even voice cloning. You can literally upload a short sample of your own voice and create an AI version of it. It lets you create and customize any voice of your choice simply by describing it through prompts. And the best part? The free plan is enough to start creating content immediately. It offers 10,000 credits monthly, and in most cases, that's too small for some creators who want to stay consistent. So if you want more credits, it's easy. You'll have to just log out of that account and log in into a new account, and you'll have another 10,000 credits, then clone the same voice you used in your previous account, and you continue creating. Easy peasy. That means you do not need to spend money just to make your first videos sound professional. Now here's something important. Do not obsess over having the perfect voice. Most viewers care more about clarity and pacing than whether your AI voice sounds ultra premium. A clean script with decent delivery will outperform a badly written script with an expensive voice every time. So focus on making the content engaging. So now your AI voice generator is handled. Now let's talk about the visuals. This is where most beginners overcomplicate everything. They think they need expensive AI tools, premium stock footage, and cinematic effects before they can compete in the YouTube universe. You don't. What matters is keeping the viewer visually engaged. That's it. For visuals, use Google Flow AI. You can generate images and short AI video clips directly from prompts. And if you use it correctly, it's more than enough to build solid, faceless videos. It offers unlimited generation of images and also offers 50 daily credits, and each video generated uses 20 credits. So that's 2 videos per day. That's actually too small to be consistent every day, so when the credits exhaust for that day, just log out of that account you created and log in into another account, and you'll get 50 credits and continue generating. You can also use Pixabay. It offers thousands of free stock footage clips that are completely copyright-free, so you can safely use them in your videos without worrying about copyright claims. Once you combine AI clips, still images, subtitles, zoom-ins, and transitions, your video instantly feels more professional, again, without spending money. Now your AI voice too is handled, and your AI visuals tool is also handled. Now let's talk about the final piece. The background music. Background music is one of the most underrated parts of video creation. A lot of people focus only on the visuals, the editing, or the script, but music is what gives a video emotion. It changes how people feel while they're watching. And honestly, without music, most videos feel empty. Even if the editing is good, something still feels missing. That's because background music controls the atmosphere of the entire video. It keeps viewers engaged, helps transitions feel smoother, and makes moments more memorable. Most people think they need paid music subscriptions like Epidemic Sound, but honestly, the YouTube audio library is enough for beginners. It's free, already inside YouTube Studio, and safe for monetization. The problem is most people spend 5 minutes searching, don't instantly find something amazing, and give up. Good background music takes time to find. That's normal. Search by mood first, then genre. Play each track for 10 seconds and keep moving until you find something that fits the energy of your video. And once you find tracks you like, save them. Build your own collection so future videos become easier to edit. Now, you finally understand that starting a YouTube channel isn't about having the most expensive setup in the world. A lot of people spend months overthinking everything. They think they need the perfect laptop, the perfect mic, the perfect editing skills before they can even upload their first video. The truth is, most successful creators started with way less than you think. And me personally, I literally make these videos and edits on my phone. No crazy setup, no expensive studio, just consistency, creativity, and the willingness to learn. So if you're sitting there thinking you can't start because all you have is a mobile phone, trust me, you absolutely can. Your phone is already powerful enough to create content, edit videos, write scripts, design thumbnails, and build an audience if you use it properly. What actually matters is starting. Because the moment you start posting consistently, you begin learning things no tutorial can teach you. Your first videos probably won't be perfect. Mine weren't, and nobody's first videos are. But every upload improves your scripting. Your editing gets cleaner, your thumbnails get better, your storytelling improves, and over time, you slowly become the creator you wanted to be. So don't wait until everything is perfect. You do not need permission to start. You do not need expensive tools to start. And you definitely do not need to know everything before uploading your first video. Just start creating, learn as you go, and improve one video at a time. So stay consistent, stay patient, and most importantly, keep uploading.
We've been living in sin so long, all the feels are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright.